Connecting your dishwasher drain has never been simpler with the InSinkErator Dishwasher Connector Kit. Designed to work seamlessly with your food waste disposer, this kit makes installation quick and hassle-free, letting you get back to your kitchen routine faster. Inside the kit, you'll find everything needed for a smooth connection: an inlet connector, a sturdy hose clamp, and 3 spring clamps. These components ensure a secure, leak-free fit between your dishwasher drain and InSinkErator garbage disposal, saving you time and effort on complicated plumbing tasks. InSinkErator is America's top choice for garbage disposals, with more units installed in U.S. homes than all other brands combined. Their wide range of models means there's a perfect match for every kitchen setup and budget, making it easier than ever to upgrade your kitchen appliances with confidence. From prepping meals to cleaning up, InSinkErator appliances are designed to keep your kitchen running smoothly. Their garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers combine speed, cleanliness, and smart design to help you tackle daily tasks effortlessly. This connector kit is compatible with popular models like Badger, Compact, Cover Control Plus, and more. Since inventing the garbage disposal in 1927, InSinkErator has led the industry with innovative, reliable products for both home and commercial use. This legacy means you're investing in a connector kit backed by nearly a century of expertise and trusted performance. If your dishwasher is newer than 5 years and has been used under normal conditions, you might not even need this connector kit. Many customers find that their existing setup already supports easy connection. Still, having the kit on hand ensures you're ready for any installation or replacement without last-minute trips to the hardware store. Worth a look if you're upgrading your garbage disposal or want peace of mind during installation. The InSinkErator Dishwasher Connector Kit streamlines the process, so your kitchen stays clean and efficient without extra hassle. If that's you, consider adding this kit to your toolbox. It's a small investment that guarantees a smooth, reliable connection between your dishwasher and disposer. Try it when you're ready to simplify your kitchen setup and enjoy worry-free cleanup.